filler machines are essential in the world of packaging, offering efficiency and precision. They excel at filling various products into containers with consistent accuracy. Employing a rotating screw mechanism, Auger fillers efficiently dispense dry and semi-liquid materials into packaging containers like bags, bottles, jars, and pouches. Auger filler machines are known for their reliability and efficiency in the world of packaging. Their precision and versatility make them indispensable across various industries. Optimizing packaging operations, Auger fillers ensure product consistency and meet market demands. These machines play a crucial role in the competitive landscape of modern industries.